The Wall Street Journal is calling it the first big casualty of the tariff war. Marelli, the auto parts giant and supplier to big names like Stellantis and Nissan, has filed for bankruptcy protection. Known for its electronics, powertrain, and lighting-related products for the automotive industry, Marelli has reportedly been struggling with heavy debt and supply chain challenges over the past few years. But when revealing its filing, the company leaders identified something else. Marelli CEO David Slump cited macroeconomic headwinds associated with tariffs as the tipping point that caused the company's situation to worsen. Slump said pandemic-era supply chain issues restricted the company's access to both labor and parts, including semiconductors. The company, which invested heavily in the EV transition, was struggling with liquidity when fresh woes hit in 2025. Slump said Marelli was severely affected by tariffs due to its import-export-focused business and the imposition of tariffs specifically against automotive manufacturers and suppliers. Marelli was formed in 2019 when a private equity firm merged 100-year-old Japanese parts business Magneti Marelli with a Fiat-Chrysler auto parts business. The resulting tie-up has 40,000 employees and 150-plus locations in 23 countries, including the US. Marelli says it plans to continue operating after establishing a deal with its lenders and creditors that will bring in more than $1 billion to finance the company's restructuring. Meanwhile, the situation has led some observers to question whether Marelli is the canary in the coal mine. Bloomberg, citing the analyst firm AlixPartners, recently suggested that the automotive industry is the global sector most vulnerable to financial distress this year. I'm Anna Wells. This is Manufacturing Now.